Alright guys, we're the Anvil spamming crew, you know? You know? Hey, oh, come on, let's get it! Yeah! Wait, crouch. Yeah! Anvil spamming crew, yeah. Anvil spamming crew. Comment if you want to join the Anvil spamming crew. I have, let's see, 12 Anvils in my, PV1, you know?
Dude, I'm just like, I've been loaded in the Anvil spamming.
You know, we're the crew. You know, we gotta get in a circle. Alright, we're gonna keep doing this until we get warned or banned. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going outside. I'm going outside. I went outside for a minute, they didn't catch me.
Wait. No, there's an anvil right here.
Where?
We gotta hide ourselves. Wait.
20 anvil's gone. No, it's not.
I'm gonna put staff.
Dude!
People.
Who are you?
Wait.
What are you doing?
Someone is anvil spamming at spawn.
Dude, I think you shoot my anvil. I don't want to get baited.
Huh?
Dude, you said it in faction chat. Dude, you said it in faction chat.
I know, I put it in freaking the other chat too. Bro, move. You're too fast.
No, you didn't. You put it in faction chat.
No, I didn't, stupid.
Looky.
Bro, if you weren't blind. Alright,
I'm not blind.
This guy's blind.
You can even ask the viewers.
Bro, viewers. Oh my god, this guy's stupid.
Did he put it in faction chat or did he put it in pub chat?
I put it in pub chat.
Okay, type it again.
I can't because double posting is priority.
Push a dot. Put a dot in chat and then push it again. Put a dot in chat. Dude, we're so gonna get banned. Dude, it's getting so annoying. I gotta turn my blocks down.
It's probably age for the viewers, so I need to do that too.
No, I'm gonna turn mine up. Screw it. I'm going YOLO.
2 hours what?
They're never gonna find us.
Do it until what? Oh, my friend. Oh.
Dude, we're not gonna get banned. This is boring. We're not gonna get banned.
Because we're too good.
I'm not gonna try to get banned of Vel. Nope, screw that. I'm gonna get ranked on there. I'm gonna get one of the higher ranks, so nope. Not gonna do this either. Are you still recording?
Work come in, I'm moving. Ooh, work come in, I'm moving. Ooh, try how looking so stupid. Yep, try how looking so stupid. Move it.
Okay, you know what? We're both going outside. We're both going out there.
Move it.
There's my show in the description.